Hi friends, today I'm going to discuss a very common question, how to set initial ratio for activity duration. Here initial ratio is for resource. Suppose there is an activity A, company-wide its activity duration is 100 minutes. So many resources has completed this activity within 100 minutes. Now there is a resource R, he is a new resource. So we can set initial ratio for this resource 120%. So the estimated activity duration for this resource would be 120 minutes. So statistic will show activity duration, estimated activity duration for this resource 120 minutes. But if this resource has already completed this task in past, then this initial ratio will not work and it will show activity duration for this resource 100 minutes. So if resource has never worked on this type of activity, then we can set activity initial ratio for that type of activity for a new resource, but it works only for new resource. If resource has completed this type of activity in past, then initial ratio will not work and it will be 100 minutes for that user. Now go to the application. Here go to the user type. Go to the screen configuration, edit resource and users, data field, initial ratio for an activity, for activity duration, publish. Go to the resource, search technician, select any resource, go to the information. So here you can see the initial ratio for activity duration is 100%, but we can set 120% or 140% for this resource. But here you can see it is showing only three options: 100%, 120%, 140%, because we have statistic configuration. So go to the statistic and here you can see the limit of lower limit of personal ratio to calculate duration and upper limit for personal ratio to calculate duration. So here we have already set 100 and 150, and that's why it is showing 100, 120 and 114 drop down. If we set this as 50 to 200, apply changes, save and apply. Now go to the resource, click any resource. Here you can see it is showing 100%, but now it is showing 80%, 140%, 180% also in the drop down. By this way, we can set initial ratio for a resource for activity duration. This is very common question